Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to share Google Sheets with someone or give access to your team. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. All right, guys, let's a new blank sheet and change the sheet name. Now, go to the left and click on Share. Now listen carefully. So here you have options that mean you can add anyone from your team or anyone else by just adding their emails here. Once you add their emails, then click on Done and they will get an email to access the sheet. Now, if you click on Restricted and select Anyone with the link, this means you can share this sheet with anyone without adding any emails. Then click on Done. Now copy this sheet URL and paste the link on your WhatsApp or anywhere to give the access. That's how you can share a Google Sheet with someone. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will try to reply as soon as possible. If you want to know how to add images in Docs, then watch this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.
I know you told your friends